Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Today's review is especially important for anyone living in a place like the Philippines, where blackouts, brownouts, and natural disasters are common. We're testing out the OptiSolex 400W portable solar bag and the SolexBrick S1 charge controller. A super lightweight, highly portable solar solution that's perfect not just for camping or off-grid travel, but also for emergency backup power at home. And as you can see, I've got it just here in front of me. And start with, look how small that is as well. And I've also got the other half of the panel on the back there too. And we'll be talking about how these work in a minute. And guys, this one really surprised me, how easy it was to set up and how powerful it is in a real world scenario. So if you're watching from anywhere prone to power cuts, like here in Manila or other parts of Southeast Asia or across the world, stick around because this might be one of the smartest pieces of gear you can own. And of course, we're doing another big giveaway. We've got thousands of dollars in prizes up for grabs, including gear like this. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check the giveaway link in the description for your chance to enter. Anyway, let's jump into this right now. Now let's dive in. Now honestly, when this OptiSolex kit arrived, I was honestly a little shocked by the size. I mean, this is a 400-watt panel, but it folds up smaller than a laptop bag and weighs just over 7 kilos. To put that in perspective, most 400-watt panels weigh close to 20 kilos and are a pain to carry. This thing is 7.5 kilos and incredibly easy to throw in the car or store at home. And again, there it is just there. And because it zips up like a soft-sided suitcase, it's even easier to handle if you're not a hardcore camper or installer. Okay, as you can see, I'm here in Manila in the Philippines and I'm testing out the solar panels now because Manila is very prone to having lots of natural disasters. So having easy to use solar panels is very, very important. And you can see they're just down there. I set these up. I literally walked down from where I'm staying, put them straight in, and they started working straight away. And look at that. There they are there, and they're already powering my devices. So very easy to use. So let's go into a bit more detail about how they work. So here we are setting up the OptiSolex SolarBag 400. As you can see, it comes in a very small package, very easy to carry around, very portable. Now you've got the solar panel, which is the solar bag we're going to unfurl. And you've also got the SolexBrick S1, which we're going to set up as well. Now as you see, opening it up, we've got the power adapters there, so you can charge up to 3 devices through this side. There's the shoulder straps. And on the other side, you can charge another 3 devices as well. So 6 devices in total from the SolarBag 400. Now you've got the clasp there. So again, very well held together. Unclasp these, furl it open. Now it comes in 2 parts. So 2 400-watt panels are basically zipped together. So we're going to undo them. As you can see, literally simple as just unfurling it and starting to use it. Now there's a zip you can undo if you want to split the 2 panels apart. Each of the 2 panels has 200-watt charges in them, so I'll show you that shortly. And again, you've got lifting up there as well. You can also fix this as well if you want to fix it to like a solar panel, for example. You can do that. But there are the solar panels there. Now, don't they look nice? Now these are N-type cells as well, which means they're high efficiency, but very good. Now, as you can see, there they are there. It's very light, very flexible, very thin. It means you can put it in different situations too, like on roofs, on cars, anywhere you want because of the flexibility of it, which is really good. Now I'm going to step on these and show you guys how good they are as well. So you can walk on them, put them to the elements. There's no issues at all with them. They do go really well in any kind of environment as well. Now I left these out for a while. They got hot quickly, and that's because of the amount of power they were taking. Now again, to put these in half, just take it off there. You can divide it into 2 separate panels. So don't take much at all. You can start using them just like that. So the case, you'll find the 2 200-watt solar modules that zip together. Yes, guys, you can literally unzip it and use each side separately. Great if you're only charging a small battery or power station. Each side has its own MC4 connectors, as you can see just here, and its own charging outputs. So as you can see, they're just there. Two USB-A ports and 1 USB-C with fast charging up to 65 watts. This means even without a battery or controller, you can charge phones, tablets, and even a laptop right from the sun. It's a massive plus if you're on the go. And we're going to show you guys how I did that shortly. Now let's talk about setup, because this is one where the easiest solar kits I've ever used. First, I laid the solar bag flat on the ground, which is perfect for windy days. No kickstands to fight with. It has tons of tie down points and loops. So if you're camping or setting up in bad weather, you can secure it to the ground or your car roof easily. Then I took the MC4 connectors from the solar panel and plugged them directly into the SolexBrick S1. So you can see there's the SolexBrick S1 just there. And that's what I connected. This tiny silver box acts as a solar charge controller. Now the SolexBrick S1 is a game changer. Unlike traditional charge controllers that require identical panels, manual settings, and sometimes even electrical knowledge, the S1 is fully plug and play. Just connect the panel into the solar input side, connect the other end to your battery, and it automatically detects everything for you. Battery type, voltage, panel wattage, it even works with 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volt battery banks. Now guys, I tested this with a lithium ion battery here in the Philippines and started charging instantly. No menus, no buttons, just clean, stable power flow. And as you can see, there it is just there. And you can use each of these on each solar panel as well. So you can connect multiple ones together to give you guys a lot more power. Now, it's also got advanced features like real-time MPPT tracking using their Instant Max algorithm, which means it adjusts constantly to get the most power from the sun, even as conditions change. And it's smart enough to limit output if the temperature gets too high, protecting your battery and the panel from heat damage. I also love that each solar panel is optimized individually. So even if one side is shaded by a tree or building, the other keeps pumping out full power. That's something traditional systems often struggle with. Now, in terms of performance, I tested the SolarBag on a typical sunny day in Manila. I measured about 380 watts total output, lying flat on the grass, as you can see. No tilting, no special angle, just raw sunlight. Guys, that's seriously impressive. Most panels only hit that level if you perfectly tilt them towards the sun. And when I tried the same test on a partially cloudy day, I still got between 120 to 180 watts. That's more than enough to charge a portable power station or keep a small fridge, fan, and lights running during a blackout. Now, you saw when I was back in Australia about how I did a solar panel review for my RV that I was using. This would be perfect. This, with the 400 watt, would be perfect to be able to give enough power to be able to use that. Now, construction-wise, the SolarBag uses high-efficiency N-type solar cells instead of traditional P-type. That means better heat resistance, longer life, and more stable power, especially in hot tropical climates. It's coated with ETFE material, which not only protects it from scratches, dust, and rain, but also improves light absorption at different angles. It's IP65 rated, so light, rain, and splash damage are no problem at all. Now, the biggest thing as well we spoke about is portability. Now, here it is just here. See how I can hold it? Other solar panels I've used in the past, you can't do this with. They're too heavy. This is perfect. It folds into a compact case with magnetic buckles, heavy-duty zippers, and a shoulder strap. The entire kit, guys, weighs just over 16 pounds. You can pack everything you need, panels, cable controller, all into one bundle. And if you're short on space, it fits easily behind a seat or in a closet at home. Now, let's not forget about the SolexBrick S1 itself. It's built like a tank. I mean, with an aluminium body, weather resistance, and a 10-year warranty. That's twice as long as most solar controllers on the market. It also supports up to 3 panels connected in series. If you're building a bigger off-grid system later, this will grow with you. Because you can basically change different panels. So I've got one panel over there, and I've got the other panel just sitting here. And you can do multiple ones together, so you can keep on adding these together if you want. And because of this, it enables you to connect more and more together, which is really, really good. And to be honest, in the past when I've had to do solar panels, I've had to provide converters, all that kind of stuff. This just works straight away. And as you can see, with the actual plugs for the phone, you can literally put this in the sun and then plug into here and start using it straight away to charge devices. And you can have 3 devices charging just from this panel. So here we're actually setting up the OptiSolex 400 to charge it for my JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. Now, as you can see, there's USB-C cables there. So you literally just plug it in to set it up, grab the cable, and then we're going to plug it into the earbuds. So we need to flip the SolarBag over so we've got the solar panels facing the sun. As you can see, this is just half the kit we've got, so just the 2 on there. We lift that up, we grab our JBL Tour Pro 3 and actually plug it into them. And what you can see straight away is you can see the lights come on. This means they're currently charging. The great thing with this is it's literally just plug and play. You've got the 3 on there, and also on the other SolarBag, you've got them as well. But one of the first solar panels I've ever seen, you can actually just start charging devices right out of the bat. It's very, very good how it's designed. And means you can use it anywhere as well. Not have to worry about converters, anything like that. You can set it up straight out of the bag. So guys, what's the verdict? If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, plug-and-play solar solution that works for camping, blackouts, or even just peace of mind, the OptiSolex 400W SolarBag and SolexBrick S1 kit is one of the best I've tested. It's flexible, durable, delivers serious power in a tidy package, and for anyone where I'm at the moment, Southeast Asia, it's perfect but also across Australia and places like that. You see, we had a flood in Australia only last month, and people that had solar panels could use it. And because it's so portable, it's absolutely perfect and could be a lifesaver. So guys, let me know in the comments where you'd use this. Would you take camping, keep it for emergency power at home, or use it with your portable fridge on the road? And don't forget, we're giving away $1,000 in prizes, including products like this. Hit the like button in the description and enter. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more power pack tech reviews right here on Mr. Yoo-Hoo. And again, we think this is probably one of the best products we've seen in the market. It's innovative, easy to use, and it really is going to change the way people manage power and manage their appliances. And we're really great to be reviewing it. Anyway, catch you next one here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.